Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be going over your transfer brush adjustment in the IKON Lane Machine. With the transfer brush adjusted properly, your crush should be about 1/8 of an inch into the buffer brush. To test this, we will go into our input-output menu and turn the brush on. To turn the brush on, we'll proceed to Main Menu, I/O Test, Output Test, and finally Buffer. When properly adjusted, your transfer brush should be about 1/8 of an inch into the buffer brush. While running the buffer brush, if you cannot see the white line, then an adjustment will be needed. If an adjustment is needed, first we will want to move the oil head all the way over to the 10-pin side. After that, we will also want to move the brush to the up position to make the hardware more accessible. With the machine turned on, we will now want to raise our brush to the up position. Press Main Menu, I/O Test, Output Test, and finally Brush Lift. With the brush in the up position, we will now disconnect power from the machine. With our brush in the up position, we will now loosen the hardware securing the transfer brush to the transfer assembly. Loosen the 5 bolts here, 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 and finally here. I've taken the liberty of loosening all the hardware to save time for the video. You'll want to loosen but not remove. Loosen the 4 jam nuts on the adjustment screws. To increase crush, turn clockwise. To decrease crush, turn counterclockwise. Once your adjustment is correct, snug your jam nut and check your adjustment. If further adjustment is necessary, repeat the process until the adjustment is correct. Tighten the 4 jam nuts on the adjustment screws. Once they are finger tightened, all 5 of the hex bolts we loosened prior, and then secure using your 7/16 open end wrench.